Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to show you how to block apps in your iPhone. So first, what you'll need to do is to simply go to your settings and then tap onto screen time right there. And then after, go to content and privacy restrictions and then select content restrictions right there. And then go to your apps in the section right here, and then you can check on don't allow apps if you want to restrict or you want to block your apps basically. But if you only want to limit the apps you have on the apps in your phone, you can go back and then let us go to the app limits here on the settings. So tap on click limit app limits and then click on add limits. And if you want to add limits to any social media here on your phone, just tap on the social and then click on the social any social media that you want to have limit on. So I'm going to choose Instagram. I'm going to tap on the next and then set the time or time limit that I want to set on Instagram. So I'm going to set 30 minutes and then just click on add. So that is how you can add limit to your phone or block apps in your iPhone. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you. So please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell button. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.